Sir Joseph, thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming, Sir Joseph. Mm. Ayun, tapos na tayong kumain. Thank you, Lord. Mm. Ayun. Tayo ay tapos na kumain. So, syempre, may ating, alam nyo na kung ano to. This is not sponsored. Ayan. Thank you so much. Mag-shoutout na ako. Thank you all of you guys for coming to my live stream. Thank you so much. So, mag-shoutout na lang ako guys at mag-end na ako. So, ayan, Needs Muzel Vlog, hello. I give you moderator. Sorry. Pero mag-end na ako. Mag-shoutout na lang ako at saka mag-end na ako. So, ayan, sis Needs Muzel. Muzel Vlog, you have moderator already. So, mega love shoutout and thank you so much all of you. Lee Song Sun TV, Needs Muzel Vlog, thank you. Sir Joseph Field, DFW Texas, thank you. Sis Fun Foodies, thank you. Earl Jan Music, thank you so much. And Sis Fire Tiger Vlog, thank you so much. Ayan. Sis Maxi Channel, thank you. Fun with Muzamel Sultan, thank you so much. And sino pa? Sis Marie Chris TV, thank you so much. Sis Life, thank you so much. Ayan, sino pa dito? Lisong Sun TV na ano ko na. Chris. Ayan, sama nandito lahat. Sis Chilan Vlogs, thank you. Col Hindu Bans Frutus, thank you so much. Sis Chris Montijo TV, thank you. Sis Marian Official, thank you. And ayan, Sis Marian Official, RD, Marshall, SL, thank you so much. Sis Igrota Capture, thank you so much. And to all here, thank you so much all of you guys. And mag-end na ako ng aking live for today. Ayan, sino pa? Parikoy Official. Ayan, si Parikoy Official, thank you. Sis Chris Montijo TV, thank you. And Jutors Channel, thank you so much. Sir Jutors, thank you. Ayan, sino pa next? Kusina ni Mael, thank you so much. My Bird Farm, thank you so much. Sis Grota Capture, thank you so much sa lahat ng andito guys at naka 30 minutes na tayo. So, thank you so much sa pagsama nyo sa akin pag lunch. Thank you so much all guys. God bless and I love you all guys. Bye! See you my next vlog and live.